Ladies and gentlemen, let's get yummy and delicious here. Now we're getting into the sports cars. I got a couple people to my right here. There. What do you guys think about that bad boy, huh? Oh yeah. Round 3. Gotta like that. Hell yeah. That bad boy. Well, we've rented one time. Give me cloth. I'm a big baby, I know. And the trunks are a little small, but still they're nice. Don't get me wrong. What do you get for these bad boys? What does it say? $50,000? Huh. I like the color. Whatever's clever. One time, a couple of years, they went open the hood. This one it came by rail, 50 grand. Real nice. Love it. Love that interior. Love it. That's nice. This one is $70,000 even. Nice. Very nice. Look at that, huh? Woohoo! Give me a cab and a half. F-250. Those are tough to find unless you order them from the factory. They're usually white. I've been over by Boyer Ford. They have a lot of them, but they're all white. You have to order them directly from stock, but you get a cheaper F-250 than you can F-150 aluminum ones. This is ugly. What the hell is this? Is this the Ranger? It's ugly as hell. Because these are, let me see what these are. What are these going for? Yeah, this is 85,000. F-250s are like 50, 60 grand. So this is, sorry. Just give me an F-250 cab and a half. And without the diesel. Oh, it's a Maverick. I don't like that front end. It looks like a Nancy Boy vehicle. Sue Ellen loves these. 33 grand. Should never stop making the Ranger.
I don't know where I got it from.
That's too bad. F-250, F-150 XLT. See here now, okay, I'm gonna go see if I'm telling the truth here now. This is an F-250. I'm gonna go and see if I'm telling the truth or I'm lying. But I've seen them with just basic stuff on, let's see. Well, I was wrong, but I know sometimes with all the bells and whistles, I've seen for 50 grand, so maybe I was wrong, okay. But still, I'd get this. That's my truck right here. Okay, I was wrong, but I've seen them, the price sticker, but probably all the bills. Still, this is my truck right here. Yeah, I would do it with gas, not diesel. This is my truck right here. Eating crow on the video live. I should delete it, right, and start over again now. I like them. I like that vehicle. It's nice. I'd buy this tomorrow. If I'd maybe go white, I don't know, maybe like a red or something. It's a Power Stroke. It's a diesel, so I'd go gas. Maybe that's probably why. Power Stroke, 10-speed, diesel. See, I don't need the diesel, so maybe it'd be cheaper without the diesel. I don't need it. I love GMCs too as well. Ooh, that boy. That's nice. That's a nice look. I like that one. Got the men and women blue over there. What does this one cost? Doesn't say. 48,000. What the hell is that? That means kind of, I don't know, weird look to it. But at least it's something different, but it's still a weird look. Ioniq 9, $78,000. Holy below. Yeah, it is what it is. People are going to buy it, I guess. Let's go over here to It's Electric Avenue, I guess we're in here right now, so that's what we're going through here. Yeah. So here's the electrical. I'm sorry, I'm not buying that. I get it. If I'm living, you know, somewhere where I don't drive all the time, yeah, I get it. I take it to work every day, come home, I get it. This vehicle's locked. Why is it locked? Why can't we get in there? Look. Look at that bad boy. Professional grade. It's a nice vehicle. Vehicle's locked. Nancy boys. We want this bad boy. $79,000. I'll take. I love GMC, but I'll take that Ford. Another one charging here. What do you want for this pig? $42,000. Nissan Leaf. Nice. Can't ask for a better time to come to the show today. I'm glad I got the car started and got the tooth pulled today and everything worked out. All that behavior, only $50 for to get my teeth pulled. Holy moly. Ooh, there's a big dog over here. All right, I get another. See how expensive this one is. This is the another big dog. I'd have one of these cab and a half too. It's a Power Stroke. It's a diesel. I don't need a diesel. I'm just driving around. I'm pulling my RV. See. God, $100,000. Oh, Jesus. $106,000 for this big. Boy, am I looking eating crow today, but I don't need the diesel. Cab and a half, 8-cylinder. I'm gonna pull my house and drive my car. This is my vehicle without the diesel. So I can get it fixed anywhere. You just can't bend this thing anywhere. But beautiful vehicle. Whew, it's a lot of money. So you can see it in this sucker. Oh, I got a sore knee too as well. I got a plate in there with 6 screws. What do you guys think, huh? Not bad. I got room in here. A lot of room. I like it. I like this up here. So, yeah. I guess, you know, if someone brought it home for me and a gift for my birthday. Yeah. I could see driving this thing around without the diesel. Give me an 8-cylinder, and I'll take it Ford, and I'll be your spokesman. Kia should have a Kia Condor like a Ranger. But Tony Bellino, what you doing? Hey man, it's Tony Bellino for Ford. Huh? Whatever. But Kia, you can be found on road dead. You can find new roads. No, you can drive an animal or aluminum can. We drive steel. We make Pittsburgh steel again, huh? Kia, I'd love to have that be a good commercial. A lot of money there, young man. A lot of money. I'd take it cab and a half with gas, and I'd take it. But that's a lot of cash. Oh, look at that bad boy. This is the Maverick. She likes this one. You see what these Mavericks are? They hauled it by rail. That's not bad. 37,000. Nice. What more can you ask for, huh? We go over to Toyota. We'll kind of put this over here and look at some Toyota stuff. A lot of these look the same, but they do make good vehicles. What they do is, I was talking to an engineer, is Honda and Toyota put vehicles in a room and they run it and they listen for any kind of vibration. If they hear any vibration, it means weakness. 33,000. I like how the price is right up there. So you can see it. Whole bunch. So that's like you can haul the bikes. Look at that. I like how the price is easy to see. Smart move. You don't have to look for it. You can see it, 41,000. See, that's not bad. I don't have to make cab and a half or not. But again, this would be a nice one to have. Cab and a half, and you 6-foot box. I like the interior. I'm a big red guy. I like it. Very nice. $46,000. They do make good vehicles. Not bad. I kind of like that battleship gray. I like that. Oh, that's a nice red there too as well. But I like that. It's a RAV4. God, man, it's totally different. Man, they totally designed the RAV4. They bastardized it. Anyways, let me take some more pictures for the calendar. We're down round 3, I believe it is. Round 3.